So if property really build wealth, the way that the banks and the gurus and the financial advisors are telling you, then why is it that 96% of property investors are still broke? Why do they struggle with debt? Why do they live paycheck to paycheck and eventually retire without enough to live on? You see, my friends, it's because the system is rigged. And unless you learn how to escape it, you'll keep building wealth for the bank, not for yourself. I want you to think about it. When you buy a house with a bond, who gets paid first? Of course, it's going to be the bank. So when you pay tax on the so-called profits that you're going to make after a while with that property, who wins? The government. Now, when you buy a house in your personal name and there's a loss, do you know that you can't deduct that loss against your current income? Now, how do you pay that bond? Do you pay it with before or after tax? You pay it with after tax. That's why they want you to earn more and more money so that they can give you a better and a bigger bond. But you have first had to pay the tax on that additional money that you earn. And then you have to pay tax on the profits, and you can't deduct anything. So the system is 100% rigged against you, not only from the government side, but the whole system, from the banks, from the advisors, from everyone. Now, on top of that, this thing is going to grow, this property. So when inflation sets in, it's going to eat up your money. So who benefits? It's the same system that sold you the debt. Here's the truth. Most people don't invest in property. They finance literally their lifestyle through property, and then they call it an investment. And that's the reason why 96% fail. Now, here's something that perhaps very few people, almost no one knows. How do you know if a property is a good or a bad investment? Most people guess. They react emotionally. They rely on the agent that tells them, for example, you can get this property for R1 million, the bank's valued it for 1.5 million, therefore it's 500,000 rand under market value. Or the municipality value is 500,000 more than what you can get it. Right. And then when they buy it and they see it's not working, they hope that the capital appreciation, that the market is going to go up over a period of time so that they can at least recoup their money. But do you know that there's a very, very simple test that you can do to see if it's a great investment or not? And that is simply your IGR must be bigger than your FFGR. So if your investment growth rate, that is your IGR, the growth on that money, is greater than your financial freedom growth rate, your FFGR, right? Then you know it's a great investment. The moment that is less than that, you know that you are not busy with an investment. Now, from personal experience over the last 23 years, unless you've done any of my courses, I can tell you with a 100% certainty that the chances are 99.9% that you do not know this little formula. And by breaking this formula, which most people are breaking, that is the reason why you fall into this 96% who fail. So no matter how great that deal may look, no matter what the estate agent may tell you, no matter what other people tell you, even the bank, right? It's that simple. If your IGR is smaller than your FFGR, it's a bad deal, walk away. Yet almost nobody, 99.8%, they don't know how to calculate it. And this is why they stay stuck. Now, this isn't just my opinion. I actually did my master thesis on residential property as an investment instrument. And as you can see, it's the instrument that we use. It's not the property that's going to make you rich. It's the way that you use that instrument by applying your skills and the system to it. That is what turns this into an investment instrument. Right. What I proved was actually very simple, but maybe shocking to a lot of people. It's not the property that's going to make you rich. It's how skillfully you offset the risk to unlock the growth. That's it. Now, later on in my PhD, applying the formula for wealth creation to develop entrepreneurs and successful entrepreneurs and investors, I showed that with the right skills, that you can even buy property without banks, without bonds, without standing security at all. Now, it sounds literally impossible to someone that did not move or shift their paradigm. Because in the systems paradigm, this that everyone tries to do, something like that is simply not possible. But I don't just teach it, I live it. For example, in November 2021, some of you may know this, I took on a challenge. And the challenge was very simple. I put up 100 Rand and I said, I'm going to turn this 100 Rand into a property portfolio with more than 10 million, with no bonds, with no banks, with no financial institution. And by simply using the wealth creating strategy and the formula for wealth creation to be able to do it. And I did it in less than 4 years. Now, that is living proof. It's not a theory, right? I did not use the banks. I used skill and strategy. And that is what makes the difference. It's the mind power of perception. So the moment that we change our perception, we know that this is possible on condition that we've got the skills to be able to do it. But the world's paradigm, right, it has hijacked our perception. So our perception is it's not possible, and therefore it becomes our reality. And therefore it cannot be possible within that perception, within that paradigm. So the average person look at a property, unfortunately, emotionally. You know it's a dream house, and then they apply for a bond, and they hope that they do not have to put a cent down for it. And that once they got the bond, then they hope that they're going to be able to pay it off over a 20-year period. Now, the way that we as wealth creators look at that, at property at least, is strategically. We see it as a business system that either pays you every single month or that keeps you trapped in debt for life. So all I have to do is shift our perception. Right. And by shifting the perception, in other words, the paradigm that you're in, you shift your results. Now, this ties then directly into the Hermetic law of cause and effect. Because every result has a cause. If your property portfolio is bleeding cash, it's not bad luck, my friend. It's the result of the wrong thinking, of the wrong structure, of the wrong strategy that you've used, right? So the moment that you change the cause, the effect must change as well. And that is literally how you move from the 96% who fail into the 4% who wins. And that's where it gets really, really exciting. Now, in my free Property Accelerator Masterclass, if you haven't done so, make sure that you attend at least. I run a live demonstration showing in black and white why 96% of property deals are bad before you even sign the bond. Now, most people are shocked when they see the numbers for the first time. It's literally there to help you to do that paradigm shift. So the moment that you understand that the chances are 96% if you've bought a property that is a bad investment, and you see it in black and white, there's a paradigm shift that's going to happen instantly. Because the moment that you know that, you can't unsee this for the rest of your life. But there's a little bit more to it. So if you're serious about escaping this trap, I want you to join me in a masterclass where you're going to discover how the Property Pro system analyzes deals in a minute, why 96% fail, and how to make sure that you're not one of them, and simply how I turned the 100 Rand into a multi-million property portfolio by using nothing more than skills and strategy. Now, the seats are free but limited. So click, you'll find the link somewhere here, click on that and make sure that you register. Let's take this to a total different level, the next level. And this is only for people that are serious about creating serious wealth. Property, the way that I use it, is just one part or one piece of the real system that we as wealth creators use. You see, the same laws that determine the success in property applies to every area of your life. And that is why I created the Wealth Creators Master Key. That is to teach you how to use these principles, not just for property, but to create freedom in all 7 areas of your life. Now, if you've been following my work, you know that I've spent decades proving that wealth isn't about money. It's about mastery. During my PhD, how to apply the formula for wealth creation to develop successful entrepreneurs and investors, I turned 79 cents into properties and businesses worth millions. And I did that without a bank, without bonds, without borrowed capital. That experiment at that stage, many years ago, proved that the formula works. But you know, I'm not done, because the same formula is what I've used, and the same method, the wealth creators formula for wealth creation, to turn that 100 Rand into a 10 million property portfolio. But now, I've started with another challenge, right? And this is a real world challenge, to take just 1 cent and grow it by using the same wealth creator strategy and the formula for wealth creation, and get at least 8 billion% on it. So it's just my way of showing, once again, that when you understand the laws of creation, that you can transform even the smallest resource into exponential growth, potentially more than 8 billion%, if you follow the process to the end. And that's exactly what I'm going to reveal inside the Escape the Rat Race webinar. There I'm going to show you how to use these universal laws or principles to create, to grow, to protect, and to enjoy your wealth, no matter where you're starting from. If you've got 1 cent surplus, you'll be able to start. Now, when I say a surplus, it means that if there's growth on this money that you're going to get, or growth on this investment, you're not allowed to touch that, right? Because you can live off what you've got. So it's not for everyone. It's not if you haven't got a job, because then you get the growth, but you eat the growth up, and therefore you can't get growth on your investment. It's only for those people that has got 1 cent surplus and do not have ever to rely on the cent or the growth until they meet their intent. In other words, the end result that they want. So if you've mastered property, I think it's time to master the entire system. And to do that, simply click on the link that you'll find in the description area as well, to Escape the Rat Race, the 1 Cent Challenge webinar, where you'll see the formula in action. And you're going to see it live, those of you that's with me in the inner circle, as it unfolds. So something like this does not exist. Make sure that you start the process by following the Escape the Rat Race. Right. This is Honest Dreyer signing off. So until next time, I want you to think smarter, act bolder, and live free. And remember, abundance begins with a paradigm shift. Make that shift, and I will see you at the top.